Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you're doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a new video regarding terracotta snowman craft. I'll explain it in detail how it was and I hope you all are love it. Before moving to video, I have a small request. This is my new channel. Please subscribe and
Winter
share. Let's
crafting
dive into
adventure
video.
as we create an adorable terracotta snowman using soil or clay. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll explore the joy of sculpting and painting to bring this charming character to life. Discovering the magic of staking terracotta pots, molding the perfect snowman head, and adding delightful details. Get ready to unleash your creativity with buttons, twigs, and fabric to personalize your snowman. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this project is perfect for adding a touch of seasonal cheer to your home. Let's dive into the world of terracotta snowman making and make this winter a little more magical together. And for this terracotta snowman, it's a fun and easy craft that you can enjoy with friends, families, or even solo. So let's get our hands dirty and bring a touch of winter magic to our creative space. For this, first of all, you have to need terracotta pots of various sizes, potting soil or air dry clay, acrylic paints, paint brushes, or molding brushes, small twigs for arms, buttons, beads, eyes, and small stones for decoration, and glue, clear sealant optional. First of all, building the base of the terracotta snowman. Start by taking your terracotta pots from largest to smallest, creating the body of our snowman. If you are using air dried clay, sculpt each other or parts separately, letting them dry before assembling. Make sure to leave enough space between each pot for a whimsical look. And then next, adding details. Now it's time to bring our snowman to life. Use your air dried clay or potting soil to mold a rounded head and place it on the top of the smallest body. Add facial features like eyes, a carrot shaped nose, and a big smile. Get creative with expressions. And coming to the decoration, now comes to fun part. Decorating, use buttons, beads, or stones to create eyes or mouth, and even a cute belly button. Glue small twigs to the side of our arms. Don't forget to a vibrant scarf made from fabric or felt to keep our snowman warm. Creating a charming terracotta snowman with this delightful DIY project using soil or clay. Watch as we stack and sculpt terracotta pots, filling them with the potting soil or molding air dried clay to form the body. Add personality by sculpting facial features and painting with vibrant acrylics as your choice. Connect the sections securely and adorn your snowman with buttons, twigs, or other festive decorations, whatever you like it. Whether you choose soil or clay, this project is a festive addition to your winter decor. Get ready for a fun and creative crafting experience. Let's make your own terracotta snowman and begin. Stay the snowman proper and secure. Begin by staking the terracotta pots to create the snowman's body, using the large pots for this bottom and smaller pots for the middle and top sections. Fill each pot with the potting soil, or if you are using a air dried clay, mold the clay to form each section. Press down to ensure stability and be patient and make sure that each part separately. First of all, we have to fix it on it, and then coming to the connection the sections, and we have to separate the sections and secure it properly. Connect the pots by either pressing the clay section together or using a strong adhesive. Make sure the snowman is stable and won't topple over. If you are using soil, pack it tightly to hold the pots together with your fingers. And then sculpting and snowman. Third step. Now it's time to give our snowman some character. If you are using clay, sculpt facial features, buttons, and a carrot shaped nose. If you are using soil, you can decorate the pots with the painted features or glow on accessories. Get creative. Then is your choice. Once your snowman is sculpted, let's add some color. Use acrylic painting to bring your snowman to life. Paint the facial feature, buttons, and any other details you would like. Feel free to experiment with different colors and patterns, and I don't use any other colors. For this, it's my choice. And finishing touches, after the paint has dried, apply a clear sealant spray to protect your snowman from the elements if it does clay. But you have to come with the soil. You don't use it, you don't need all that. And if you play to display it outdoors. Now let's add the finishing touches. Glue on accessories like buttons, twigs, wands, and eyes, and other festive decorations, whatever you have. And there you have it. Your very own terracotta snowman made with soil or clay. Hope you enjoy this DIY project. Don't forget to get creative and make it your own. If you try this out, share your creation with us in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!